There's no shortage of amazing synth apps for iPad and iPhone, but one of the most powerful is actually already built into GarageBand. Today I'll show you why Alchemy deserves more attention, how to get the best from it, and why it still stands out years after launch. Alchemy wasn't always a part of GarageBand. It started out as a standalone synth by Camel Audio before Apple bought the company back in 2014. A few years later, it came back, this time built right into GarageBand in one of the app's biggest updates ever. Even though it comes bundled with GarageBand, Alchemy is a serious instrument in its own right. It's deep, flexible, and can genuinely be quite inspiring. You'll find Alchemy in the keyboard section of the sound browser. At first glance, it looks familiar if you've used other touch instruments, but there are some big differences here. Tapping the menu at the top opens a browser with hundreds of patches available. I'll stick with the default one for now though, so we can explore how it works. The transform pad is one of Alchemy's standout features. It lets you move between 8 sound variations within the same patch. Dragging the puck around blends the snapshots together, giving smooth transitions and new textures instantly. If you want more control, each patch gives you up to 12 dials that change specific effects. These vary depending on the patch that you're working with. The XY pads let you shape effects in real time. While the pitch and mod wheels sit on the left and they're used for expressive control. The octave buttons below shift the keyboard range. And the latch toggle lets notes sustain without holding them down. In non-arpeggiated patches, that switch becomes a sustain button. Tapping the scale button brings up preset scales. When you pick one, GarageBand highlights only the notes in that scale, which is handy if you're not a trained pianist but still want to bash out some great sounding notes. You can change the key size too. Bigger keys suit heavier hands, smaller ones fit tighter playing spaces. There's even a split keyboard view for 2 octaves at once. The velocity and sensitivity of the keys can also be adjusted from here for a more tailored feel. Glissando mode gives smooth slides between notes. Scroll mode shifts the keyboard up or down the scale, while pitch mode lets you bend notes continuously. If a patch doesn't include an arpeggiator, you can turn one on manually. Tap this button, tweak the settings, and you'll have instant rhythmic motion. You can also switch from keys completely to chord strips. Tap here to switch the view. Tap the upper segments of these to play chords higher or lower. And the lower segments for bass notes. The autoplay dial creates pre-programmed chord and bass patterns that evolve automatically. The autoplay function is a great way to experiment with different patches. Alchemy comes packed with hundreds of presets out the box, but you can grab even more through GarageBand's sound library. The easiest way to get there is to open the instrument browser, then swipe until you see Sound Library and then tap on it. You'll see a selection of themed content packs and remix packs. Tap any you like to preview what's included. For example, the Alpha Waves pack adds 50 new Alchemy patches plus matching Apple loops. Once downloaded, these sounds appear under Recently Downloaded in the Alchemy preset menu. Let me know your thoughts on GarageBand's Alchemy synth and whether you use it in your projects in the comments down below. Give that like button a good hard slap while you're down there, I really appreciate it and it helps more people see this video. And if you want to find out a bit more about accessing loads of extra new sounds for free using GarageBand's sound library, watch this video next.